Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove credit card from Rakuten. So the step number one is to go to account settings. So just log into your Rakuten device and then the Rakuten card app or the main Rakuten website. So from there, just navigate to your account or your profile settings. So this is often found by tapping the profile icon or the gear settings icon. So next up is to find payment or card management. So just look for a section labeled payment methods, registered cards, or wallet. So you can tap on this section to view all saved credit cards and debit cards linked to your account. Next step is to select and delete the card. So locate the card that you wish to remove, like for example, the one ending in this one, and then you should see an option next to it to remove or delete, or a trash can icon. You will just see it in there. So from there, you just have to tap it and confirm the action when prompted by the security dialog. So lastly is to verify removal. So after confirming the deletion, the card should disappear from your list of saved payment methods. So the Rakuten may send an email and app notification to confirm that the card has been successfully removed for security purposes. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!